Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from Samsung device to Samsung Galaxy A35. Begin by opening Play Store on both and getting this app called Send Anywhere. When it's ready, open it. Then to set it up, tap on the same options in both apps. Firstly, I agree and I acknowledge at the top. Then confirm, continue, and allow. In this window about new updates, you can select Not Now or close it right away by hitting OK. Finally, after clicking on your device's screens, select Send at the bottom left corner of this Samsung device. Then receive right next to Send on Samsung A35. Now, using all of those categories at the top of Samsung smartphone, pick all of your files to transfer. I will go with only a couple, just for example. Then choose Send next to Selected at the bottom and click on Got it in Here's Some Tip pop-up. Now pick one of those connection ways. To connect by inputting this key, hit Input Key section, copy all of those numbers and select Receive. Then wait. If you prefer to scan this QR code, tap on the scanning icon above User Guide. Close an ad and allow camera access in the pop-up. Then point it at the code and wait. As you can see, after that all of my files were successfully transferred. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!